Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to apply gel polish application like a pro. Thanks for watching, I hope you like this video. Feel free to ask anything in the comments. I apply the design using colored gel, dry each nail for 1 minute in a lamp. When all nails are covered, dry both hands together for 2 minutes. When we apply the color with a thin bond, we bring it under the cuticle, so the nails looks better and the client can wear the nails longer than usual. In this video you can see my client creating a sticker design. I cut them out, soaked them in water on a sponge and transferred the stickers on the nails with a stamping stamp. After that I covered it with a top.